So hey, we are back on the 53rd day of our 6,000 steps easy challenge, and today I have hopped states and come to UP at the Okhla Bird Sanctuary, and yeah, it's like a perfect day to go for a run. Nice fog. The Yamuna River is right there, and if you're lucky, we would catch some birds, maybe some migratory birds. So yeah, so I'm planning to go towards the other side of Okhla Bird Sanctuary, and I'll come out from the Noida side, and I'll probably take the DND flyover and try to reconnect through Delhi. So that's my basic plan at the moment, but I have no idea about Noida, so I'll just figure out, how I'm supposed to go, right? So at the moment, I'll be just hanging out at the Okhla Bird Sanctuary and look at some views. See you. Bye. Yeah, so do you remember that Rally for Rivers initiative taken by Babaji from the south of India? A lot of people gave a lot of donations to him to clean the rivers of India, but as most plans that happens, after the advertising stage, all the money is gobbled, or we really don't know what happens to it. Nobody is talking about the Rally for Rivers. People were giving missed calls and people gave their hard-earned money to the South Babaji, but nobody knows what happened to the project. So yeah, more power to such people who easily dupe other people of their belongings. Bye. Yamuna push-up. Yeah, so deep inside the heart of the Okhla Bird Sanctuary, and I'm, I think, atop of Watchtower 1, I think. The sun is out now, so hopefully we'll get to see some birds. I'm not sure, but at the moment we could only hear the voices of the birds, but yeah, without binoculars, I don't think it's possible to even get a glimpse of them. So yeah, I'm glad that I'm doing this 6,000 steps easy challenge. I get to see Delhi and the NCR region like nobody else. Yeah, if you sit around here, there are chances that we would see a lot of birds. If you see a bunch of birds right in front of you, and that's the mighty great Yamuna River. Yeah, but anywhere you go, even in the forest areas, I don't think we'll be able to get away from the noise. That's unfortunate. Oh, check that one, all black. Yeah, so went into the deep parts of the Okhla bird sanctuary, and now it's time to like hit the road. I covered around 4 kilometers inside the Okhla bird sanctuary, and now I need to find the D&D flyover and go towards Delhi. So once we reach Delhi, then we'll see where we can go, maybe to some market or something. Yeah, so good run at the Okhla bird sanctuary, day 53. See you. Yes, so just crossed the D&D flyover, and now we are heading towards Delhi. So our interstate run continues. So from UP to Delhi, day 53. Yeah, so Buddha is chilling as usual. And the people are running as usual. So one final view of the Yamuna. Always remember, we don't need anybody else to like do our work, right? I mean, that rally for rivers was just like people's laziness to put the responsibility on somebody else, and then just pressing the phone, like giving a missed call and just getting over with things. I mean, things don't usually get done by a missed call. People need to like work together for that. Okay, stop being lazy. Bye. Yeah, so first signs of Delhi. I think I should go towards Sarai, Kale and ITO and catch a metro from there or something. Yeah. So I think I should probably go towards Rajghat and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, going towards Rajghat, but I don't know where I am at the moment. Yeah, so standing at the standing at the Sarai Kale interstate bus terminal. I don't think I have the energy to go to Rajghat, so I'm going to take a metro from Sarai Kale itself. Yeah, see you at the metro station. Yeah, so standing at the Sarai Kale metro station, and it's a little more than 9 kilometers from the Okhla bird sanctuary. Yeah, so I thought of going to Rajghat, but Rajghat is another 3-4 kilometers, so I don't think I have the energy to like go till Rajghat. So I'll catch a metro from here and go back home. So day 53 comes to an end. Now I think I should take a break for a couple of days from running, but I shall complete my 6,000 steps whatever happens. So yeah, see you. More power to me and you. Bye.